course, a loving mother. What has that experience been like, and what is that process of motherhood and handling a career? What has that entire experience been like for you?
The mommy role really is the toughest role that you can ever have in your life. It's really difficult. When I go for shooting, I almost feel like I'm on holiday. So yeah, it's a 24/7 job. It's 365 days a year. You don't get any days off. You don't get any pay for it. It's unpaid, and yeah, and it's I think the only appreciation and the only pay you get at the end of the day is knowing that you're doing a good job of it. Yeah.
Kajol, a little bit off the bat, when you actually shot these TVCs, you shot a lot with us over the last 3 years. Any quick little funny moment that you can remember with the children? Lots of child tantrums?
I wanted to throw a tantrum a few times over, but I have to say that the children were very well behaved for that matter. Children with children, I think to get their attention and to keep it is difficult. But the one good thing was that whoever the director was and you know how many other people there were on the set, we were all on the same page. So it was all about getting the child to act well. So it was actually really, really funny because you know the kids wanted to do what they wanted to do. Whether you told them to walk from there to there or whether you wanted them to shake their bum or do whatever, they did exactly what they wanted to do. It had nothing to do with us. It was sheer luck, chance, and a little bit of manipulation maybe, and good editing that we got what we wanted out of it. Yeah.
So literally they were calling the shots.
Literally. I mean, those kids were so cute. They were just so cute. And then once we started shooting with them, it was like, you know, what are they doing? They're aliens from another planet. We don't speak the same language.
Right.
So yeah, it was a lot of sign language, a lot of, you know, gesturing really wildly, and you know, you're putting little bindis all over to get their attention, and you know, small tricks basically to make them work like normal human beings. Yeah.
How do you get those babies to smile like that? What's the one little move that you make?
That's the great part about kids, because I think kids all over really respond to honesty. So if you're honestly looking at the baby and you're smiling at them for whatever reason, somewhere down the line they'll just smile back at you. It's like they just smile back at you. It's amazing to watch. I don't know whether they're imitating you or whether they're making fun of you, or you know, it's genuinely that they're smiling back at you because you're happy. But if you really are smiling at them, yeah, they'll definitely smile back at you. Yeah.
You know about this very successful campaign, and of course you're aware of the success of this campaign. A lot of people applied and wanted that golden opportunity to come and meet you. So when the team came in and told you about this project, what was your initial thoughts on it?
I love the idea, honestly. I love the idea because I know as a mom, as a new mom, especially when you have your first kid, it's a very isolating feeling. It's a feeling like you know, लगता है कि आप दुनिया में पहली माँ हो और दुनिया में पहला बच्चा आपने पैदा किया है, और दुनिया में पहली बार जो भी हो रहा है आपके बच्चे के साथ, वो दुनिया में आपके बच्चे के साथ ही हो रहा है और किसी के साथ नहीं हो रहा है. दुनिया में कोई माँ भी नहीं थी आपसे पहले. तो I think it's one of those feelings that makes you feel very isolated for some reason. And at that point of time, when you're feeling like, you know, you're the only person in the world, you need to pick up the phone and you need to talk to somebody and, you know, tell them that, oh God, look what I'm going through. And it doesn't make you a bad mother. It doesn't make you a complaining, whiny mother.
Yeah.
It just makes you just a little more confident, and it just makes you feel better about yourself. And because the person opposite you will always give you the reaction that you don't expect. You will expect and somebody to get annoyed at the other end of the phone, but actually what you get is support. What you get is, oh God, come on, I'm taking you out for a drink.
Yeah.
Or, you know, listen, I'm getting the coffee and coming over. Oh baby, you need chocolate, just go buy yourself a dairy milk. So, you know, it's really that more than anything else. It's just standing up, and I think that's the thing about Huggies, that it just wanted to convey the message that you know, when you need help, all you have to do is stand up and say that you need help to whoever there is around you, and somebody or the other. You'll be surprised at how many people will be willing to stand behind you and stand with you and put out a helping hand and say, okay, ठीक है, you need 5 minutes break, you need 2 hours, चलो जाके तू picture देख ले, मैं संभाल लूँगा. So whether it's your husband, whether it's your father-in-law, whether it's your mother-in-law, whether it's your next-door neighbor for that matter, I think, you know, everybody is willing to help. When you ask for it, everybody will be willing to help.
And that's where the 10 rupee mobile recharge really comes in use.
बिल्कुल वो 10 रुपए का रिचार्ज आपको बहुत cheap लगेगा एक टाइम के बाद.
Hi Kajol, I'm a new mom, so I have like one question for you. Is that you've been associated with the brand for the last 3 years. Why do you think that Huggies is better than the rest of the brands?
Okay, let me just first say that I think as mothers we all go through and we try everything. हम सब try करते हैं. जो भी हमको लगता है कि जिसका advertisement देखते हैं कि लगता है कि हमारी ज़िंदगी और आसान हो जाएगी, वो हमेशा try करेंगे. और actually I did try all the brands before I settled on Huggies, and I realized that Huggies lasts longer. And you know, especially things like rashes and stuff like that, they don't come. They're not, at least I wouldn't say they don't come, but they're not that much. And you know, as long as you're good with it, I think I really genuinely believe that Huggies can take a lot more abuse. Yeah.
देखा जाए तो जो हमारे बच्चे हैं, हमारे देश के जो ज़्यादातर छोटे बच्चे हैं, हाइजीन मैनेजमेंट का बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होता है. तो हाइजीन मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
किसके मैनेजमेंट की बात है? Sorry?
Hygiene management.
Hygiene management. Well, hygiene I think is very important. I think hygiene एक ऐसा area है जो that relates to. I've actually done a whole campaign on hygiene and washing your hands, etc. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं तो उनकी immunity बहुत कम होती है, especially newborns. The mortality rate in our country is really, really high. Of children before the age of 2, and that's because of the hygiene standards that we think are that हम लोग normal ले रहे हैं. हम लोग जिस हिसाब से normal, जैसे हमारी माएँ और हमारी दादी करती थी हमारे साथ, तो I think in today's day and age जिस दुनिया में हैं अभी उसका pollution level इतना ज़्यादा हो गया है कि we cannot take it for granted anymore. हम जो पहले सोचते थे कि you know हमारी माँ बाप सिखाते थे हमको कि you know बेटा हाथ मुँह धो के फिर खाने पे बैठ जाओ. हम सोचते थे कि एक आदत है जो मेरी दादी ने सिखाया था, जो मेरी दादी और मेरी मम्मी मेरे को सिखाया करते थे, लेकिन अभी वो आदत एक ज़रूरत बन चुकी है. और हाइजीन जो है आई थिंक इट्स एक्चुअली अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ लाइफ एंड डेथ एट द टाइम ऑफ यू नो व्हेन यू कंपेयर इट टू किड्स. इट्स रियली अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ लाइफ एंड डेथ बिकॉज व्हेन दे गेट डायरिया एंड निमोनिया, it can only be cured because of strict hygiene. I think हर डॉक्टर भी कहता है आपको, अगर आप डॉक्टर से भी बात करो तो इस केस में जो छोटे बच्चे हैं उनको दवाइयों से ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, लेकिन उसको हाइजीन से फ़र्क पड़ता है. आपको पानी बॉईल करना चाहिए, आपको हाथ धोने चाहिए साबुन से, वो भी पानी से नहीं साबुन से धोने पड़ते हैं. नाइसली वॉश योर हैंड्स, कीप एवरीथिंग स्टेरिलाइज्ड एंड क्लीन. इट्स रियली आई कांट स्ट्रेस ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस that it takes for kids. I think इसी वजह से जब मेरी बेटी पैदा हुई थी और मैं माँ पहली बार बनी थी और मुझे जब डॉक्टर ने बताया कि you know this is what you have to do and this is what you have to do, and I was like इतना सारा काम. I was just like सोच के मुझे टेंशन हो रहा था उस वक्त. और लेकिन I realized slowly and surely that the best thing that I could do for my child at that point of time was to keep myself and my surrounding area hygienic and clean. तो बहुत सारी लड़ाई और झगड़े हुए मेरे घर में, क्योंकि हैंड सैनिटाइजर के बॉटल हुआ करते थे और जो भी रूम में आता था मैं उनको कहती थी कि चप्पल निकाल के अंदर आओ, नहा के आओ, हाथ धो के आओ, ये कपड़ा पहनो. और तो बहुत सारी लड़ाई और झगड़े हुए. बहुत सारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स थे जिनको बहुत बुरा लगा कि मैं you know ऐसे चीज़ें क्यों करवा रही हूँ. हम तो हमारे बच्चे तो ऐसे ही बड़े हुए होते थे. लेकिन I honestly believe that I would rather do this than have them fall sick and have to take care of a sick child and have to worry about a sick child at the end of the day. And I believe that prevention is better than cure. तो आपने मुझे अपनी favorite question पूछ ली, मेरी favorite question जिसके ऊपर मैं lecture दे सकती हूँ और आधा घंटा. तो I'll just go on to the next question. Thank you.